वोल्वो ट्रकने भारतातील पहिले रोड ट्रेन सोल्यूशन लॉन्च केले. हे उच्च कार्यक्षमता आणि मोठ्या प्रमाणात लॉजिस्टिक्स उद्योगासाठी आदर्श आहे. केंद्रीय मंत्री श्री नितीन गडकरी यांनी रोड ट्रेन सोल्यूशनला हिरवा झेंडा दाखवला. डिलिव्हरी लिमिटेड
trucks and operated by Delivery Limited. A concept that has been in practice globally has now come to India under the able guidance of Honorable Shri Nitin Ji Gadkari. Let's take a look at it at the outset.
That allow this increases the cargo volume by 50%. This means 2 road trains can do the work of 3 tractor trailers, reducing emissions and traffic. This is bringing the efficiency of the train on the road. The Volvo road train uses a B-double concept where a tractor is coupled with an intermediate trailer which has a 5th wheel at the rear to couple a semi-trailer. The new combination running in India has a volume of 144 cubic meters. Significantly more load than a regular trailer with marginally higher fuel consumption. The regulation also allows for the interchangeability of trailers, so no time is lost during loading and unloading. The tractor can dock the trailers for unloading, pick a new set of loaded trailers and be on the road again. As the Indian highway infrastructure significantly improves connectivity, this could be the game changer for the industry. The Volvo road train running in India has a 4x2 tractor on air suspension, powered by a 13-litre 420 horsepower engine and I-Shift 12-speed automated transmission. This gives a power-to-weight ratio of 5.6 kilowatt per ton, sufficient to take the combination on even steep gradients and maneuver curvy ghat sections. Maneuverability is important on Indian roads. To facilitate a smaller turning circle diameter, the intermediate trailer has a self-steerable axle. Also, the hydraulic steering is so soft that maneuvering is very easy despite the length. But the most important aspect of such long combinations is safety. Volvo road train has unmatched direct visibility. There is a passenger corner camera covering the blind spot on the passenger side, switching on automatically with the left turn indicator. Additional cameras mounted around the truck give all-round visibility at all times. Blinking lights are provided along the length of the truck to improve visibility at night. The diesel tractor can be replaced with an LNG-powered tractor in the future. With the most advanced technology and safety features, the Volvo road train is a future-ready solution for long-distance transportation that will set new benchmarks in safety, productivity and efficiency.
Guys, I also invite Shri B. Dinakarji, President and Business Head, Volvo Trucks, Shri Suraj Saharanji, Co-founder and Chief People's Officer of Delivery. With an aim to have widespread deployment of road trains on expressways, Team Volvo is also Indian logistics sector greatly. ये एक बहुत नई शुरुआत होने जा रही है. जो हमारा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर विश्व स्तरीय बनता जा रहा है, उसमें आज एक नया आयाम जुड़ रहा है, एक नई उपलब्धि हासिल की जा रही है और हम सब इसका हिस्सा हैं. आइए अब माननीय मंत्री महोदय का इस मंच पर सब माननीय मंत्री महोदय श्रीमान नितिन जी गडकरी का स्वागत करें. V Commercial Vehicles Limited is the and Shri Vinod Agrawal ji, MD and CEO, is felicitating and welcoming Honorable Minister Shri Nitin Ji Gadkari. करती हूँ ऑर्गेनाइजिंग कमेटी से कि अगर कोई सम्मानित जनप्रतिनिधि इस कार्यक्रम में उपस्थित हैं तो कृपया उनका भी स्वागत किया जाए. I now invite Shri B. Dinakarji, Executive Vice President and Business Head of Volvo Trucks, to please deliver formal welcome.
Friends, it is an honor to Chris and the Volvo family, including the customers. Thank you very much for joining us. Sir, today, Indian roads are truly connecting India by helping people and goods more effectively, very seamlessly across the country. The road infrastructure developed in the recent past has enabled us to introduce globally state-of-the-art logistics solutions. Thank you very much for your vision, sir, for bringing such infrastructure to India. And over the years, Volvo Trucks has been guided by your vision, and so that we can introduce global standard trucks and solutions in India. The FM 420 4x2 Volvo road train is another pioneering introduction by Volvo Trucks for the Indian market. Sir, I proudly say to my customers, this is the baby created by under guidance from you and created by us all together with MORTH officials and ARAI and Volvo and the customer. And we're all together, we created this, introduction. And thank you very much for your guidance, sir, for this. And a picture says more than what I say. You already seen the picture, sir. Thank you very much. I am welcome for this event. Thank you very much, sir, for this.
And KC Sharma ji, Chief Engineer MORTH, और हमारे एस्टीम्ड कस्टमर्स सूरज सहारन जी, डिलीवरी के को-फाउंडर, और जितने भी यहाँ पे अतिथिगण, सबको बहुत बहुत नमस्कार। सबसे पहले मैं मंत्री जी का बहुत बहुत आभारी हूँ कि उन्होंने अपने कीमती समय में से हमारे लिए ये समय निकाला और इसको आज हमारा जो रोड ट्रेन लॉन्च कर रहे हैं उसकी फ्लैग ऑफ मंत्री जी के कर कमलों से लोकार्पण करेंगे हम। तो बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद मंत्री साहब, वी आर रियली ग्रेटफुल। उसमें मंत्री जी का बहुत बहुत सराहनीय योगदान है और जो मॉडर्नाइजेशन हुआ है इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर का, उसी की बदौलत जो आज हमने ये रोड ट्रेन ला पा रहे हैं। सबसे पहले तो इसके ऊपर जो इन्होंने 2020 में उसका रेगुलेशन में चेंज किया कि
never having stress to find any solution, rather finding it with a
सर वरती हाथ गया थोड़ा। सर एक बाइट